Hello, in this video, we're going to explore another public command available in BIMLOGIQ Co-pilot. This public command is used to import Excel files directly into Revit, so you can have the exact same table structure that exists in Excel replicated inside Revit as a schedule. Here, we have several input fields. You can specify whether you want to import a new Excel file or update previously imported schedules. If you're updating, you can select the schedule view that needs to be refreshed. You can choose the sheet where you want the schedule to be placed after import. You can select the Excel file itself. You can decide whether Excel formulas should be recalculated before sending the data into Revit. And finally, you can choose whether the Excel file path should be stored as relative or absolute in the schedule. Saving the Excel file path is extremely helpful because it allows you to update the schedule later without having to reselect the file or define its path again. Revit will automatically use the stored file path to refresh the schedule. Now, let's go through an example. In this example, we want to import 3 Excel files containing steel section properties into Revit. We have prepared 3 files: IPE, INP, and IPB. We open the command, and from the first option, we select Import, which tells Copilot to create a brand new schedule. Then we select the Excel file using the Excel File button. If we want the schedule to be placed onto a sheet immediately after it is created, we can also select the target sheet here. Next, we set the file path mode to absolute, and then click Run. We repeat this process for the other Excel files as well. As you can see, all the Excel files were successfully imported into Revit, each one generating its own schedule. We can now use these schedules anywhere in the project whenever needed. Now let's test the Update option. To do that, we'll make a small change in each of our Excel files and save them. Then we return to our command and switch the mode to Update. Because the Excel file path was saved earlier, there is no need to select the file again. Revit already knows the previous location, and the schedule will be updated directly from that stored path. After entering the required inputs, we simply click Run. As you can see, all schedules were updated easily and instantly, without having to choose the Excel files again. If the Excel file path has changed for any reason, you can use Update from File, which allows you to select a new Excel file and update the schedule from the new location. With this command, there is no need for repetitive manual steps. You can effortlessly bring your Excel data into Revit and keep it updated with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching.